Welcome to the Potential Difference Research Lab. In this video demonstration today, I'm going to be talking about the process by which we can validate the ReGenX Generator performance. And a lot of people are asking about third-party validation and so on. The ReGenX Generator innovation has been third-party, independently performance validated, probably 1,000 times since our original demonstration at MIT, and then the subsequent demonstrations that we did at Ottawa U when they provided us with the satellite lab between 2008 and the middle of 2010. So basically what I'm going to do in this video is we're going to walk through the process required in order to evaluate the ReGenX generator's performance, and also the process necessary in order to evaluate a conventional generator's performance as well. And I'm going to be introducing everyone to the new form of energy that the ReGenX generator and quantum motor harness. And at the end, I'll try, if there's time, to give instructions on how just about anybody can replicate the RegenexX Quantum Motor and build their own electric motor that, number one, operates at infinite efficiency, and number two, harnesses subatomic quantum electron energy. So, for starters, the ReGenX Generator innovation. The ReGenX Generator innovation is a new US patented electric generator innovation that requires zero mechanical input energy when performing electrical and mechanical work, outputting electric power at infinite efficiency. In addition, the ReGenX generator also simultaneously performs positive mechanical work, also at infinite efficiency, accelerating and increasing the kinetic energy of both the generator and prime mover system without requiring any externally supplied input energy. The ReGenX Quantum Motor innovation. The ReGenX Quantum Motor innovation is a new US patented electric motor innovation that also requires zero electric input energy when it is performing mechanical work at infinite efficiency, increasing the system's kinetic energy and basically accelerating the system without requiring any input, without requiring any externally supplied input energy. The new energy source discovery for humanity is the harnessing of subatomically created quantum electron energy. Both the ReGenX Generator and RegenX Quantum Motor have the unique ability to harness subatomically created quantum electron energy while performing positive mechanical work, accelerating and increasing the system's kinetic energy. Interestingly enough, all conventional electric generators also harness the same subatomically created quantum electron energy, but they perform negative work with this energy, decelerating and reducing the kinetic energy of the generator prime mover system. The negative work that is performed in all conventional electric generators is referred to as generator armature reaction, EV regenerative braking, a counter electromagnetic torque, negative work. It's also referred to as motor action in a generator. So, work energy principle definitions. Negative work, the work energy principle defines negative work as work that is performed during the reduction of the kinetic energy of a system or body. Positive work is defined by the work energy principle as work performed during the increase of the kinetic energy of a body or system. An electric motor in an electric vehicle performs positive work when it's accelerating the EV, increasing its kinetic energy, and it performs negative work as a generator when it's decelerating or reducing the kinetic energy of the EV. Energy is required to perform both positive and negative work. Energy is the currency required in order to perform both positive acceleration and negative work, deceleration, active resistance versus passive resistance. Active resistance would be road friction, wind resistance, that sort of thing. And, passive resistance would be road friction and bearing friction and those sorts of things. Active resistance is the negative work that's performed inside the generator by the created electromagnetic field energy. Work in either direction cannot be performed in the absence of energy. So, the ReGenX Generator and ReGenX Quantum Motor Infinite Efficiency Performance Evaluation Questionnaire. Validating the ReGenX Generator and ReGenX Quantum Motor Infinite Efficiency Performance is the easiest thing in the world to confirm by answering and verifying the following simple questions. Question number 1, when the ReGenX Generator is placed on load, does the prime mover consume any additional energy when the ReGenX Generator is performing electric work, delivering electric power and recharging a battery, or lighting a light bulb? The answer is no, the prime mover does not consume any additional energy. And does the prime mover consume any additional energy when the ReGenX Generator is performing positive mechanical work, increasing the kinetic energy of the generator prime mover system? No, the ReGenX Generator does not require additional prime mover consumption when it is performing positive work, accelerating the system. Question number 3. Based on number 1 and number 2 above, what is the efficiency of the ReGenX Generator during electricity generation? Well, if the prime mover is not supplying any additional mechanical power to the generator when it's placed on load, the efficiency is infinite efficiency. Infinite efficiency. What is the efficiency of the ReGenX generator while performing positive work, positive motor action, accelerating and increasing the kinetic energy of the generator prime mover system? Again, if there's no additional input energy being supplied to the system and the system is increasing its kinetic energy, the efficiency of that system is infinite. Question number 5. Can an electric motor or any prime mover, gas-powered motor, or any other kind of motor perform positive work, system acceleration, while increasing the mechanical power, torque, and speed of a drive shaft or system like the ReGenX generator does with zero input energy according to the known and accepted laws of physics? No, there's no motor on the planet that can perform mechanical work and increase the kinetic energy of a system without externally supplied input energy. And I'm identifying externally supplied input energy because the RegenX Quantum Motor and the ReGenX Generator don't use externally supplied input power. They employ internally created electric energy. Question 5b. Can an electric motor or electric generator perform negative work, system deceleration, and decrease the mechanical power, torque, and speed of a drive shaft or system like conventional generators do with zero input energy according to the known laws of physics? No, they cannot. Conventional generators, when they are performing negative work, system deceleration, are also using electron energy that's created at the subatomic level in order to perform their negative work. Question number 6. How does the ReGenX generator perform positive work, system kinetic energy increase, acceleration without any additional external energy being supplied to the prime mover or the ReGenX generator? Answer. The ReGenX generator harnesses internally created energy that is created at the subatomic quantum electron level in order to accelerate and increase its own kinetic energy. Question 6b. Does the ReGenX generator violate the work energy principle, i.e., does it perform positive work without energy? No, it does not violate the work energy principle, but it may violate the theory of conservation of energy, and that is yet to be determined. So our control variable is the conventional electric generator performance. Question number 7. When the conventional generator is placed on load, does the prime mover consume any additional energy when the conventional generator is performing electrical work, delivering electric power, and recharging a battery or lighting a light bulb? Yes, it does. Does the prime mover consume any additional input energy when the conventional generator is performing negative work, decelerating and decreasing the kinetic energy of the generator prime mover system? Yes, it does. What is occurring in the system when the prime mover consumes additional electric input energy? The prime mover is converting this additional electric input energy to mechanical energy which it is then supplying to the generator's drive shaft in response to the negative work, deceleration, electromagnetic torque being performed by the conventional generator. I should say being performed by the subatomic created electron energy inside the conventional generator. Can the conventional prime mover electric motor increase the mechanical drive shaft power, torque, and speed without consuming additional electric input energy according to the known laws of physics? According to the known laws of physics, no, it cannot. Why does the conventional generator perform negative work, system deceleration, when it is placed on load and when it is performing work, lighting a light bulb or recharging a battery? And where does the energy come from in order to produce the counter electromagnetic torque? No explanation currently exists within the currently accepted laws of physics, and the global scientific community does not know why negative work is being performed by conventional electric generators when they are placed on load. Lenz's law is the closest thing that the scientific community comes to in explaining the negative work, but it's incomplete. So, question 12. So all conventional electric generators can violate the known laws of physics, namely the work energy principle, when they perform negative work and when they cause system deceleration, i.e. reduce the kinetic energy of the generator prime mover system? No, they cannot, but the currently accepted consensus within this world scientific community and the physics community and the engineering community is that they can. So the global scientific community believes that negative work can be performed and deceleration can be performed without energy. And the work energy principle, that would be a violation of the work energy principle, and the premise that currently exists by the world scientific community is not true. Negative work, question number 13. Negative work can and is being performed inside all conventional electric generators without energy? No, it is not, but all engineers and all scientists worldwide say that it is. Question 14. And all conventional electric generators can violate the work energy principle and Newton's first law of motion by changing the kinetic energy of a system without energy? No, they cannot, but all engineers and scientists in the world currently say that they can. Question 15. Why do they maintain this falsehood? In order to maintain and protect another more important falsehood, the theory of conservation of energy. Question 16. The entire global scientific physics and engineering communities support a very obvious falsehood in order to defend another falsehood, namely the theory of conservation of energy. Yes, we do. Question 17. In order to ensure the world does not learn that energy can be created, yes. And the ReGenX Generator innovation exposes this long-standing falsehood. Yes, the ReGenX Generator does, and also the RegenX Quantum Motor also exposes the falsehood that work can be performed by an electric generator without energy. The ReGenX Generator establishes that subatomic created quantum electron energy is responsible for performing the positive work and system kinetic energy increase. Yes. And subatomic created quantum electron energy is also equally responsible for performing the negative work and system kinetic energy decrease, deceleration, in all conventional electric generators? Yes. And the only difference between negative work being performed in a conventional generator at less than 100% efficiency, this is not true, but for now we'll just accept it as being true, with subatomic created quantum electron energy and positive work being performed in a ReGenX generator and a ReGen-X Quantum Motor at infinite efficiency is the ReGenX generator's load current delay. Yes, the difference between negative work being performed in a conventional generator and positive work being performed in a ReGenX generator and positive work being performed in a ReGen-X Quantum Motor at infinite efficiency is the generator and the ReGenX Quantum Motor's load current delay. And in the description box below this video, you'll see the videos that support these statements. Question 21. And this revelation replaces the theory of conservation of energy with the law of creation of energy, which is the same energy source for both positive and negative work mentioned above, or a complementary electromagnetic torque versus a counter electromagnetic torque. Yes. And subatomic created quantum electron energy is responsible for performing the positive work and system kinetic energy increase in the RegenX Quantum Motor as well. Yes, it is. So the opportunity is to design and build the world's first full-scale market-ready ReGenX generator prototype, which operates at infinite efficiency when generating electricity, and also operates at infinite efficiency when performing positive mechanical work with subatomic created quantum electron energy. Yes. And to design and build the world's first full-scale market-ready RegenX Quantum Motor prototype, which also operates at infinite efficiency when performing positive mechanical work with subatomic created quantum electron energy. Yes, it is. Question 25. And to help introduce the world to subatomic created quantum electron energy and the law of creation of energy. Yes, it is. Video number 1, which will be down below in the description box. Negative work performed in all conventional